Somebody getting tired and cranky? Getting tired and cranky? Michael, what's the matter? Michael? What's the matter, Michael? Are you tired and cranky? Michael, look this way. Michael. Hey, Michael. What's the matter? 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 Cranky? You gotta stay up till 9 o'clock, buddy. Couple more hours. Come on, you can get a hang in there. You're the one that woke up early from your nap. You wouldn't take your afternoon nap. Don't do that. That laundry basket will tip over. What's the matter? What's the matter? I'll move it out of your way. You're gonna fall. What's the matter? 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 What? What's the matter?